Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, obviously we have some stuff to catch up on. I have not been here for a couple of weeks, and that is simply just because I was going through a rut. I didn't know what to film. I was really down about my hair. I wanted something new, but I wanted to keep my natural hair because obviously you guys are here to get tips and tricks on wavy hair. So if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you should, you'll have seen that like a couple of days ago, I used my clip-in hair extensions to create a half updo. And when I put in my extensions, they were slightly longer than my natural hair, and it really made me miss like long, full hair. About a year ago, I had tape-in extensions put in, and I loved having just an abundance of hair. I just thought it was so much fun to play with. So I decided that I was going to put those old tape-in extensions back in. So I ran to Sally's the next day and I bought tapes. I bought hair color because they were like bleach blonde and I needed a little bit of like a root color on them. And I colored them myself. I put them in myself. I actually cut some layers in them as well, and I'm pretty happy with them. And obviously I'm still gonna style them natural because I can and I love them. Now, before any of y'all come at me saying, okay, but it's really damaging to your hair, it creates tension and it can break your hair, I know. I've had tape-in extensions before and my hairstylist was very confident that it would not damage my hair, and it did not. My hair was completely fine after I did it. Anyways, this has now been an incredibly long intro, and I'm sorry if you are new here. If you're new here, hi, please subscribe. But I'm sorry if you're new here and you're like, okay, what is going on? I just wanted to learn how to hide my bangs, which is what today's video is about. We're finally here. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I hide my bangs on a daily basis. I have many different ways that I will wear my hair in order to hide them. If you didn't know, I have bangs, they're right here. And I enjoyed them for like a couple weeks. And then I was already tired with them. I was done. I was like, okay, I want my old hair back, but the growing out process can take quite a while. So I had to come up with creative ways to keep my hair back because I was tired of styling the bangs. And you know, you gotta cut them if you're gonna keep styling them that way. So I don't wanna do that. So today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to hide your bangs. If you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you would come back for more tips and tricks on wavy hair and just hair in general as well. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first way that I hide my bangs is how you see them right now. I just styled my hair how I used to without my bangs and just treated them like they were a normal amount of hair. I think I can get away with this because of my wavy hair, so it kind of hides the little like short pieces of my bangs. However, sometimes they are a little stubborn and they do not actually stay put. So as you can see, they're kind of wiggling a little more than I would like them to. So what I will do is I will pin little places. So I'm going to show you that right now. I'll just take a bobby pin. And for example, this little part that kind of like flips down like that, I don't necessarily like it, so I just kind of take it and straighten it out and pin it. Now I have this nice little hair here that kind of hides it for me, so yes, that is helpful. Then also, again, these shorter pieces, I take them, I tuck them behind this piece right here. I take a bobby pin and I pin it down. And of course, always hiding the bobby pin. So then I of course would take some hairspray. I love the Aussie Mega Hairspray. It is 24-hour flexible hold, so it doesn't look super duper crunchy. Just don't use an like insane amount. It really doesn't take that much to keep your bangs back, I promise. So I would just, I'm not gonna do this right now because I'm doing multiple things with my hair today, but I would just spray it down and maybe like kind of push back some flyaways, and then I am good to go. To me, if I pin it back like this, it doesn't necessarily look like it's a part of my hair, but it kind of looks to me like I tucked my hair behind my ear. So just creating the illusion that that piece is longer helps to hide your bangs. Another way I hide my bangs is by using this headband. Oh my gosh, dude. Are you okay? I have many different headbands for this purpose. I have this black one that's kind of like snakeskin material, and I have another one in like a warm brown color as well, the same exact style. I have one with a top knot. Get you some headbands, invest in headbands, because you know it can be boring to wear the same headband over and over again. So if you have an abundance of headbands, that is a great way to hide your bangs while they grow out. So I will just take this, let me kind of push my hair back like this. I keep my bangs. Notice that I still have my bangs bobby pinned, and that is because they will still sometimes slip out of the headband. So that's a good way to keep them intact while you place this headband. So I just kind of place it down, make sure that my bangs are covered. Oops. Kind of pull so that I'm pulling my hair so that the headband will actually stay behind my ear. There, and then you have a nice cute style. This is also a great style. Side note, if you have like wavy hair and you're on like day 4 stretched out hair, this is a really good way to kind of keep your hair nice and voluminous, and somehow it shows off your curls even when they're stretched out. I don't know how, because it's not like it's hiding much, but I really love it. My last way of hiding my bangs is by using braids. I love braids, and I love using them to kind of include my bangs in them and get them out of the way when I don't want to wear this, because sometimes this can hurt my head, and also when I just want like a cute style instead of leaving my hair down. So there are many different braids you can do. You can do a fishtail, you could even do a twist if you wanted to, just to twist them out of the way, but I'm going to show you my favorite braid to do to get my bangs out of the way. So I will take this section right here, kind of carefully separate my hair, mainly just because this is day 1 hair for me, and the fact that I'm probably gonna mess up like my top layer by doing this kind of makes me sad. So I part my hair into 3 different sections. I take the back section first, and then the front section. So I just do a normal braid twice. Then the third time, I grab hair from the top and I cross. And then I grab hair from this side and I cross. And I will repeat that for a little while, not too long. And I kind of try to make sure to keep it in the front, especially with these extensions, because I don't want my extensions to show. I do want to grab some of my extensions though, so that I can have a fuller braid. So once I get to about here, I will just braid normally. Let me do that real quick. And then of course it is very important once you're done, once you get to the bottom, I kind of hold it in place and I fluff it out. When you get to the top, try not to fluff your bangs too much. It's hard to do without a mirror. And then I will do the other side, of course. And then once I'm done fluffing, I will move this top section of my hair. I like to place the braid Let me hide that extension a little better. I like to place the braid kind of down low in the back right here. So again, I moved my hair, and then I'm gonna take a couple of bobby pins and secure it. And there you go. So then it's kind of hidden in the back. I love this braid because I like that it's a little looser, and I just feel like it helps kind of add a little something to my hair. With braids, you can also do so many things. You can part your hair in the middle, you can do pigtail French braids, you can do a braid into a ponytail. The options are endless, honestly. So just have fun with it and experiment with braids. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate the like. It helps me out so much. Leave a comment down below letting me know how you hide your bangs, because I know it can be a struggle. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!